morning, boys and girls. Happy Tuesday. So if you remember, yesterday we started to learn about subtraction. Today we're going to continue to learn more about subtraction using equations and pictures for those equations. So today I'm going to solve the problem 7 minus 4 using a picture. So I have 7 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember to always go back and double check to make sure you've drawn the right amount to start with. Okay, I have 7 and I want to take away 4. And I want to show this using a picture. So I'm going to use X's and take away 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I had 7 and I take away 1, 2, 3, 4, I can see that I'm left with 1, 2, 3. So the answer to 7 minus 4 would be that it equals 3. So I could write in 3 in the missing place here. So now I want you guys to try using your own drawings to solve these problems. Okay, so you're going to solve 5 minus 4, 8 minus 3, and 6 minus 2. You will solve your problems on a piece of paper or in a journal, and you will send a picture of your drawings to your teacher for today's assignment. We'll see you tomorrow.